YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are doing great. Please don't mind my shenanigans. I was just trying to make sure my camera is properly set, and to avoid, I thought it was recording but it wasn't because it happens to me a lot, so I'm just trying to avoid that. Okay, so today I'll be doing an unboxing of the fitness wears I got from Urban Planet. This is not a promo video, okay? And while we go through that, I want to dive into something I think a lot of us face when it comes to starting our fitness journey. I know it can be tempting to reach out for those quick fixes like detox tea, fat burning pills, or intense fat diets that promises us faster results. But if there is one thing I've learned so far, is that sustainable fitness takes time and patience. So let's talk about why these quick fixes aren't the answer and why taking slow, steady route will get us real results. Alright, let's just be real here. Quick fixes are tempting, right? And of course, we are all busy, and who wouldn't want to get a fast result without putting in months or even years of work? It's also very easy to get hooked up by promises that 7 days tea diet or even a magic fat burner will get us tuned up in no time. And when we see influencers with this drastic before and after shoot, it feels like, okay, maybe this is the answer we're looking for. But the truth is, quick fixes lead to quick letdowns. They might just show us some initial results, but they are rarely sustainable. Most of these things rely on crazy low calories, dehydration, and even routines that are hard to stick with. And once we stop the fix, those results usually vanish just as fast. The truth is, this isn't about whether they work temporarily. They often set you up to feel like you're stuck in a frustration cycle of almost reaching your goal and then you're backsliding. I have been there too, thinking if I do this one more thing, I will get where I want to be. But over time, I realized that real results comes from building small, consistent habits and focusing on progress over perfection. It is definitely slower, but it's also real. You're not risking your health and you're learning to do what works for you long term. So instead of focusing on shortcuts, let's focus on something sustainable and real, one step at a time, because honestly, that's the only way the change will last. Another thing is that a lot of these quick fix solutions out there like detox tea, extreme diets, or weight loss pills, they don't actually solve our fitness challenges. A lot of these products either hydrate you or cause you to lose muscles rather than fat loss, which only ends up hurting your progress. You might feel like you're seeing results, but it is usually temporary water weight. The second you go back to normal, the result disappears. So it is not only hurting your feelings and wasting your time, but they can also mess with your energy level, focus, and even mood. I understand that creating a healthy habit might not seem as quick or as flashy as the latest fad, but it is the key to real change. Sustainable fitness is about building consistency with things you can realistically keep up with, like balanced eating, regular exercise, rest days, and a mindset that values progress. Sure, it can feel slower, but that's actually the point. When you move at a steady, realistic pace, your body has time to truly adapt, and you're building genuine strength, endurance, and resilience that last far longer than any quick fixes out there. You're probably wondering why take the slower route when I have something that could get me there quicker. But let's think about it this way. Every time you work out or eat healthy, you're creating a foundation. You're creating a habit that makes you feel healthier. You're not just doing it for a week or month, but for a lifetime. Those small, consistent changes adds up to visible progress that sticks. Plus, when you take your time, you're also taking care of your mental health. You're not just constantly chasing unrealistic goals. You're giving yourself the time to appreciate each step forward. My advice would be to skip the shortcut and focus on building habits you actually enjoy. Find workouts that makes you feel good and makes you keep coming back to it. Make small manageable changes to your diet that you can stick with it. And most importantly, be patient. Trust that each workout, each meal, and each rest day is moving you closer to your goal, even if you're not seeing immediate results. So to wrap it up, always remember that fitness isn't about instant results, but is about lasting change. Quick fixes might look good on paper, but they are rarely the answer. A sustainable fitness is about investing in yourself day to day for a lifetime of good health and happiness. Thanks for watching. If this video gave you a fresh perspective on your fitness journey, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your own experience with quick fixes. And as always, see you in my next video. Bye.